Hi guys, we just arrived here. It's already 5:35 a.m. So ayun,
I see the way we're going, caught in another lonely night. Now I'm mad for no good reason.
Hi guys, good morning. Nasa Villa Alessandra na kami. Nag-book kami dito sa Mall Ball. Ano ata siya? 194 per night. Tapos super ganda ng room. Tignan nyo. Ito yung place. So may upuan there. Tapos ito na yung kama. And then meron ditong maliit na kitchen area. So may tubig, may initan ng tubig. And then for tinapay. Tapos here naman may aircon. Tapos yung sa TV, meron na siyang Netflix. And then, ito yung hangeran ng damit. Ayan. Tapos, may side table lang magkabilang gilid ng kama. Here's another view. So, ayun yung table. And then, TV. Ayan. And then, next, CR. So, ito yung CR area. Ayan. Tapos, pagpasok mo ito. So, ang ganda ng CR. Hello! Tapos, ayun. Ito yung shower. May hot and cold din naman siya. And then, ayan na yung banyo. So, super nice nung place. And then, maganda. Sulit na siya for 1.9 lang per night. So, ayun. Hi guys, it's already past 6 p.m. na. And then, dapat kami Mall Ball baka before 10 a.m. Tapos nag-work lang din kami agad. So ngayon, mag-ayos na ako for dinner. So bali wala kaming tour talaga, pero tomorrow mag-free dive kami. Tapos on Sunday, hindi na namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. So baka mag-beach na lang kami and maglilibot around the area. So nag-rent lang kami ng motor, 350 siya. Per day, 110cc. Hello, so nakapag-ayos na ako and then kakain na kami ng dinner. Sama ko na lang kayo kung saan kami kakain. Bye! Ito lang yung fit ko. Simula kaninang umaga, Zara top and then Zara shorts. So ayun, tapos ang dala ko lang is Crocs. So yun na yung gamit ko for the whole stay. Para isa lang din yung dala ko. So ito yung view pag gabi na yung sa villa namin. Or sa na-rent naming Airbnb. Ang luwag niya guys. Ayan. Ayan yung villa namin. So, ayan. Dalawang magkatabi yan.
So comfortable. No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark, they still see light.
Guys, currently nasa BI Swim kami. Along Panagsama Road. Tama ba? So, at 20 lang yung ice cream. Super sarap. Pistachio saka ube. Super sarap. Tabi-tabi na yung mga kainan dito sa Panagsama Road. Para siyang danalan lang sa iyo. Medyo malayo lang sa pinagstayan namin. Mga 15 minutes ride ng motor from dun sa pinagstayan namin to Panagsama Road.
Still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I'm met you.
Hi guys! Good morning! So today is October 21, around 7 a.m. And nag-ready lang kami kasi mag-free dive kami later. So yung sinabi sa amin dapat 7:30 ano na kami. 15 minutes away lang naman dun sa pagkikitaan. So, hindi na kami mag-breakfast. So, for my sunblock, ito gagamitin ko. Bello na Reef Safe. And then, for swimsuit, I'm just wearing Sulokal. Yan. Lagi ko na lang yung IG nila kung gusto nyo. Custom made siya, as in, bibigay mo yung sukat mo. And backless, ayan. So here's my fit today. Sulokal, Zara skirt, Shakti na tote bag, and backless.
Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on yesterdays. Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyways. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. Yeah. So comfortable. No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's already 3:58 PM and nag-aayos lang kami kasi lalabas na ulit kami. So nakahinga lang kami kanina kasi nakapagod mag-dive. Wow. Here's my final look. Sulokal, and then Zara skirt, Shakti na tote bag, and shades from Shopee, and then Perlas from Basta. So ayan.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did before. Think that I said this.
Nag-order kami carrot cake. Wala man na
Swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in the corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but
Hey guys, so nakabalik na kami ng room. It's already parang 9 PM na. And yun lang ginawa namin today, nag-free dive lang kami. Tapos tomorrow, di pa naman alam yung gagawin namin. Balakan magtumalog falls, pero masyado siyang malayo. So 2 hours ride. Ayaw namin magmotor, naghanap kami ng kotse. Pero halos lahat fully book na. So ayun lang. So balitaan na lang namin kay Tom kung anong gagawin namin. See you tomorrow.
Libre pa naman to.
Hi! On the way na kami sa Tumalog Falls. Guys, if gusto nyo i-rent, then lalagay ko yung link ni Kuya Jay. 1.5 lang siya per 12 hours ata to.
Nasa mall-mall na.
Ayun, pero sa mall area lang to. And then if city, madami namang available. Halos lahat ng nahanap namin, ano na sila, sa Cebu City sila naka-destino. So, ayun. Kaya medyo nahirapan kami maghanap ng car here sa Molbol. Hello. Habol kami mag-wheelshare. 500 siya per head. Nakarating kami 10:15. So, ayun.
I see the way we're going, caught in another lonely night. Though I'm mad for no good reason. You should be right here by my side. And we're only oceans away. You hit the bed while I wake up. Now I count the seconds away.
Hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin mag-whale shark watching. Dumating kami, diba, mga past 10. Yun daw yung pinaka-best time to go here kasi onti na lang yung tao. And then, hindi na mahaba yung pila kasi daw pag umaba, mahaba yung pila. Though, mainit lang gantong oras. Pero, saglit lang naman kayo doon. Parang 30 minutes lang. So, hindi rin kayo ganun bibilad sa araw. So, okay na rin. So, ayun lang guys. Ngayon, punta na kaming Tumalog Falls. Saglit lang naman siya from here. So, baka doon kami magstay saglit. And then, magla-lunch na kami. So, ayun, bye!
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right?
Hello guys! Tapos na kami sa Tumalog Falls. Anong oras pa lang? 12:25. Hindi na kami magsusunilan kasi ang mahal niya for 215. So yun, kakain na lang muna kami. And magka-coffee shop. Tapos babalik na ulit kami ng Molbol or mag-check kami ng mga places na pwede namin daanan. So ayun lang. Naligo na rin pala kami doon sa Tumalog Falls. Kasi ayaw namin bumiyahin ng dugyot ng basa. So ayun. Dala naman kaming damit. Yung entrance pala, 50 pesos per pax. Tapos, may motor na maghahatid sundo sa inyo. 50 din siya per pax kasi kapag maglalakad, malayo. Kakain lang kami sa Chubby.
Tube yun, di ba? Tube.
Chubby ba? Basta Chubby. Chubby.
Chub.
Ah, Chub daw.
Ay, tama, Chubby.
Chubby nga. Reserve. Hi guys, nasa Chubby na kami. Maganda yung place. And then parang ito lang kasi nakita namin restaurant along the way. So dito na rin kami kumain. Guys, nag-order kami ng sisig, ginagaongan, scallop, saka yung bone marrow. Ayan. Guys, scallop. Masasarap pa rin yung sa Howell eh. Sa Siargao, pero okay na din. Hi guys! Good morning! So today is October 23 around 7:30 AM. And today is our last day na here sa Cebu. So today, ang gagawin na lang namin, i-visit namin yung White Beach kasi hindi namin siya napuntahan ng may araw. So nung second day namin, hindi namin naabutan yung sunset. So ngayon, dadaan lang kami and then magbe-breakfast lang kami. So ayun. So my fit today, I'm just wearing a Shein swimsuit. Ayan. Wait. So, ito lang yung swimsuit ko today. This is from Shein. Ayan. So, ayun. Alis lang kami. Bye!